The NEXT B2B Accelerator is a 5-month accelerator program to accelerate nascent ventures from basically a first MVP to get into investment-ready startup. The program is integrated into a Master in Innovation and Entrepreneurship so that our students can study but also build a startup at the same time. So at the end of their studies, they go out with a certificate from ESMT Berlin, but at the same time, also an investment-ready startup.
Hi, my name is Caroline. I'm studying the Master in Innovation and Entrepreneurship here at ESMT, and I took part in the NEXT Accelerator program from Vali and ESMT, which is a program that takes place from October till February and is an accelerator program that helps us to work on our own startup ideas. In the program, we had the great opportunity to work with mentors and coaches together that supported us on our journey. We had amazing financial coaches who helped us to build our financial planning.
I'm a financial advisor and I support startups with their financial topics, which I really enjoy doing because I really love watching startup founders grow in this topic, which sometimes is a little bit daunting. I've been a coach in the NEXT B2B program now for 2 years. I really enjoy this program a lot because there is a lot of one-to-one coaching and a lot of opportunity to work with the founders, hands-on work together, and I really can see them growing in the 5 months that we're in this program together.
We have great marketing and sales coaches that helped us to really go out, do cold calling, do sales outreach, to create also the inbound and outbound strategies. We also had a great mentor that supported us throughout the entire program, which we met right at the beginning, went out for lunch, and then supported us with all the steps that we needed, really thinking about, is this really the problem that the customers have? Is this the right target group? How are we reaching them? Helping us figuring out who we should reach out to, or even supporting us in anything that we need. So from mentors, coaches, the great cohort, great co-founders, great Vali team. This program enables us to become the startup founders that we want to be and dive into the startup ecosystem in Berlin. Super glad that I had the opportunity to join the NEXT Accelerator program.